Hello guys, welcome back to my tutorial. Today I gonna show you how to flip horizontal video in Sony Vegas. Okay, now I opened my video for show this tutorial. Okay, I have a video for example. Okay, now you can click on event pane or crop here and right click on the screen, video screen, and choose flip horizontal. Yeah, the video change left to right and right to left. Okay, just play for testing. Yeah, okay, this is one. If you want to change, flip horizontal video at the position, which position you can do like this. Okay, now for example, click on the same place, event pane or crop. Okay, if you want to change, flip horizontal at this time, you can move position on here and right click on the video screen and choose flip horizontal. Yeah, when the video play at this time, your video will flip horizontal from left to right or right to left. Yeah, okay, now play test. Yeah, on here. See how to flip horizontal video in Sony Vegas. Okay, thank you for watching this video.